My name is Emilee Palomino, and I am the founder of Smarty Girl, which is a line of girls' leggings for girls age 1 to 10. And the leggings are in designs that are traditionally marketed toward boys. So astronauts, cars, robots, dinosaurs, airplanes, sharks. So I've put a clever and girly spin on them. Because I wanted my daughter, Sophie, to be able to wear these designs too. Moms are so energized about these leggings because they had thought of this too. They had been shopping for girls, and in the girls section it's all butterflies, princesses, flowers, hearts. Not that there's anything wrong with those designs, but a lot of moms had looked over into the boys section and seen things like science and sharks, and they thought, well, I want that for my daughter too. My mission really is to empower girls to believe that STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math are for girls, and that they can like these things and they can study these things. And my 3-year-old now, she says that she wants to be an astronaut when she grows up. I've always known that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I went to Wichita State's Barton School of Business and got my business degree there with a minor in entrepreneurship. So I always knew that I wanted to be my own boss. There's something about this city and that campus, it just feels like entrepreneurship is really at the core of Wichita and with our aviation community. And so I feel like I've always grown up with this sense of, if you can't find it, make it. If you don't see it and you want it, build it. And so I think that the city and the college have had a huge impact on me as far as knowing that if you have an idea, you can just go out there and you can create it. And so my first design that I launched was dinosaurs, and it was a hit, and those sold out super fast. And then I introduced other designs, and here we are 2 years later. I've shipped thousands of leggings to dozens of countries and hopefully empowered a lot of little girls along the way.